We've got the seated lateral raise. This is actually a pretty good variation to start to learn the lateral raise because the seat gives us a little bit more external stability and we can focus on what our arms are doing. So we want to start with them slightly rolled in, so the top of your fist facing out, and then we want to spread along the ground and out towards the walls, slightly in front. You'll notice how Joel's not going right out to the side, he's slightly in front of his body. That's the scapular plane, which is where we can ideally get the lateral delt, which is what we're trying to get. He's spreading and he's getting a solid hold up the top, which is where we really want to be working and becoming competent with this movement. And then he's controlling down. He's actually not controlling down. Do it a little bit more, yep. Just the other thing would be, like, when you're doing this movement again, think of spreading. That's how you're going to get this muscle. A lot of people raise at the top with their shoulders, and that's how you're going to get more trap. Delt's still going to be working, but we want to ideally get the delt spread along the ground and out to the walls.